going on, everybody? Today we have a old 1960s Schwinn Corvette wheel here. The customer is wanting us to kind of clean up this rim and get it all polished up so he can restore this bike. And the problem that we've got here is it's very difficult to polish a bicycle wheel, and the only way that I've really found that's best is to pull all the spokes off, which a lot of people are not able to do. But for years I've been trying to clean these old rims, and I've just determined that it's actually quicker and easier to just take all the spokes out, because otherwise you're cleaning around each individual nipple here, and I found that you're having to use a wire brush and you end up scratching the rim. So we're going to go ahead and do this. We're going to take all the spokes off, and we're going to go ahead and clean up this rim. Let me show you some close-up views of what I'm going to be working with. So I've already oiled up the nipples. That's what that little darker spot is right there. And then you can see the rust right there. And there's rust here and there on the rim, including some rust around the nipple there. So that's what we're looking at, a little bit of paint there. Now, the spokes on this don't look too bad. These are galvanized. They were never shiny from day one. So we're just going to wipe those off, clean them up a little bit. We're going to be cleaning up the rim and the hub. Actually, I need to show you the hub next. But let's go ahead and get this thing taken apart and get it cleaned up. That spot right there has me concerned. But this is all the rust on this hub. So, but that's the worst one. But whenever the wheel is taken apart, we'll go ahead and get the hub cleaned up. So now that everything is out of the way, what we can do is we can simply start polishing away. Just take your time. No, don't push down too hard, and it'll start shining it up. Now, let's just keep on going. Chrome's coming off. Alright, now that we've got this all cleaned up, let's get this wheel built. here are some nice old, or new Schwinn tires, some 26 by 1 3/4, not to be confused with 1.75, because in the bike industry, those are two different sizes. The wheel turned out great. Well, I'm as happy as I can be with this wheel. Did not turn out perfect, but I mean, the bike's from the 60s, and it's good. So hopefully the customer will be happy with it. This is as far as we could go without having the hub and the rim re-chromed. So, alright. If you enjoyed this video, please leave me a big thumbs up. Tell your friends. Check out some of the other videos on the corner of the screen. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks.